Hello guys, so today I'm going to show you how to get verified on Instagram. So it is a very easy process, especially in this time. So all you do is just simply open your Instagram account, then go to your profile at the bottom right corner, then click on the three lines at the top right corner. Now you will see that you have a new option over here called Meta Verified. So just simply choose that option. Now give it a few seconds and this type of page will appear in front of you. Now over here, what you will get in Meta Verification, it is listed right over here as you can see. So to get the verification tick mark, all you have to do is click on join waiting list. Now after the waiting list is complete and you got the access, so again go back to Meta Verified, and now over here you will get the option of pay to benefit. Now over here you have to pay a monthly fees to actually get the verification tick, and over here all the things will be listed that you will be getting with the verification. So you will just simply click on pay to benefits, and then it will redirect you to the Play Store where you can enable the subscription for Meta Verified. So that means every single month there will be a subscription that you have to pay in order to keep the tick mark that you just got from Meta Verified, and in some month you were unable to pay it, the tick mark will be gone. So that's it, and thank you for watching, and do like, subscribe to our channel, and take care.